Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kamitech and in the 7th class of Adobe Illustrator. My name is Kamran Aman. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of the most important and one of the modern tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is lasso tool. So guys, this tool allows the user to select many objects, icons, different points, anchor points, and different corners and a lot of other things you can select with the help of lasso tool. So guys, with the help of this tool you can just freely move your cursor around different shapes, different corners, different anchor points, and whatever the thing you wanted to select, then you can select them easily. And especially when all the things together in the form of group, when all the tools of Adobe Illustrator become fail, at that time you can use this tool. If you wanted to select anything in Adobe Illustrator with the help of lasso tool, then you just have to click on lasso tool and then freely move your cursor around the shapes, around the corners, around the anchor points, or whatever the thing you wanted to select. You can select that thing easily, and especially in groups this tool is very helpful in selecting different parts of an object. So guys, let's come on the screen to know the practical explanation of this tool. So guys, now we have come on the screen and we are going to start learning of lasso tool. The first thing, lasso tool is situated below the direct selection tool and its shortcut key is Q. If you press Q from your keyboard, then your lasso tool will be automatically selected. So guys, with the help of this tool you can select single points very easily, and without too much concentration you can select any point with the help of this tool. So guys, I would like to tell you that I wanna to change this logo into this one. So guys, how I will do this? For this purpose, first I will use different other tools and then I will use lasso tool. The first one is selection tool. I press V from keyboard. Now selected. I have taken selection tool and now you can see that it is not working because it is a group of logo with background. So guys, now you can see that with the help of selection tool it's confirmed that we can't do this. Now I'll come on direct selection tool. So guys, now you can see that I press A from my keyboard, and or you can take direct selection tool by pressing on direct selection tool, and then with the help of this tool you can, if you try to select this logo, then you can't do that because it will select the whole or it will select the single part, and that's why you have to select one by one all the anchor points, and in this way your lot of time will be wasted. But with the help of direct selection tool you can do this. It's confirmed. I'll select this point, then delete it, and then I select this point, delete, select, delete, and so on. So let's come back, Ctrl Z. Now it's confirmed that with the help of direct selection tool we can do this work, but it will take a lot of time, and time is money, as you know that. And now we are coming on lasso tool. So guys, now you can see that with the help of selection tool you can't do this. With the help of direct selection tool you have done it, but it has taken a lot of time. But now we are coming on lasso tool. Lasso tool is one of the magical tool. So now you can see that I simply, when I will move this tool anywhere, it will not select any other thing that I don't want to select. Now you can see that it can't move any object on your canvas, and that's why it's very good thing for all of you guys, that because grouping can't harms it. And in a group, even my logo is connected with the background and there is nothing separated from each other, but even in a group form you can select any point and can delete or manipulate. First of all, we wanna to select these 2 points. Now you can see that I have selected these 2 points and then use direct selection tool. I have selected and then I can manipulate these points. I can change their shapes, and whatever the thing I wanted to do I can do. Simply press Ctrl Z, and the thing that I wanted to tell you that take lasso tool and I wanted to change this shape into another one. Simply press those points that you wanted to select or delete. So guys, now you have seen that a lot of time taking work that we have done within few seconds. So guys, now it confirmed that with the help of lasso tool you can select many points, many anchor points and many shapes together very easily. So now I wanted to select some other points. To confirm that how you can use this tool easily, simply press Q from your keyboard. Now we wanted to select these 2 points. Now we have selected, then press A to take direct selection tool. And now the tool you can't do. With the help of lasso tool you can do many other things, like select these 2 anchor points, then take direct selection tool and you can manipulate them. So guys, now you have seen that we have understood that how lasso tool does work and how lasso tool is different from other tools, and we wanted to make this logo like with the help of direct selection tool. So guys, now you have seen that we have made a logo like another one, but this tool you can use for doing faster work, for creating some special things and a lot of other things that you can do with the help of this lasso tool. So guys, here are some of the shapes on my canvas. Now you can see that you can select all these shapes together. You can select, delete few shapes, few points, or whatever the thing you can do with the help of lasso tool. Simply press lasso tool. I wanted to select some of the shapes, some of other things that you wanted to do. I wanted to delete some. So guys, now you will see that what are the things are deleted. So guys, now you have seen that we have deleted some points, some shapes, and we can do all those things which we can't do with the help of direct selection tool or any other tool. So guys, now you can see that I have selected one anchor point and deleted it. Now you can see that it looks completely different, and we can manipulate a single shape with the help of lasso tool. Simply select lasso tool, select these 2 points and then take direct selection tool to manipulate this shape. So guys, now you have seen that I have created another shape. I have manipulated this shape with the help of lasso tool. You can simply take a lasso tool, simply select one corner or one anchor point and simply take direct selection tool, and you can manipulate it. Whatever the thing that you wanted to do, you can do with the help of this tool. So guys, I hope you have learned a lot of things from this video, and hope you will continue your learning and one day you will reach at your destination. So guys, if you have learned anything from my video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos, and very soon we will meet again with the next tool of Adobe Illustrator. Take care yourself and others. Have a nice day.